Today's tutorial, I got a review from someone who he said I should tell him how I got this text within this, like the text is being round the shape. Okay, I will do that now. Yes, I just need a little of drop down around this picture. Okay, I'll correct that later, but then this is just what I want to explain in this tutorial, how to have this random round text. Yes, because it actually looks sweet and beautiful. You'd like to use it in your next design project. So firstly, we'll have to go to our new file to create a new document. So I don't want this to actually be a long video, so let's be fast about it. So and I made a mistake here, so I'll go back, new file. So while you click on 1280 pixel, so this was actually what made it transparent, to make it white, a white background. So okay, yes, so this is white background. So first let's lock it, then let's give it a color so that we can actually make our text white. So this is blue color. So firstly you go to so let's lock this again, then go to your shape on the shape tool. So let's select pick eclipse. So eclipse, you will actually use left click here. After selecting it, you would left click while drawing, but if you draw it just like this, your circle won't be perfect, so the text you would write inside won't be perfect. So what you will actually do is let's delete this. Yes, we delete it. So what you do, make sure that you click it on a separate space. So what you do here, you would click on the shape tool, that's the ellipse tool. So you would actually press your shift together and draw, so it will give you a perfect circle. Do you understand? So but then our color that is actually selected is blue color. If you can check here, we have blue color. So there are different ways to change that. So we can change it through here, or we come here and change the color. Yes, so either of both ways can work. So and if you look at what I had a shape there. So here, this is the shape we'll be making use of. So we had a circle, then the text. So you would right click, you would press Ctrl T. So you go to your shape tool, your text tool. Yes, so on your text tool, you carry your cursor and bring it to the edges of the circle, yes, and this is it. So you can now write your text, have your text inside. So we can just, let's make use of plus space 1, then okay, let's reduce the size to 8. So 8, okay, yeah. So would copy it, then we'll paste it, so it would be Ctrl V. So to actually fill it up, you can space the text. Yes, you can space the text. So make it 30. Let's make it 30 and see how far. Okay, 30 is actually good, so let's make it 40. 40 is actually okay too. But so you can actually just set it up to your taste. Understand? I've shown you the basics of it. So, but you can actually see that the space between the text and the write up is actually not okay. So you click on this. Sorry, you click on the cycle. Yes. So when you click on the circle, you would let's reduce the opacity of the circle. So you see, we only have the text now. So you can do with the text. Then if you need an additional circle that you can actually, this is the text. So let's bring the circle here and reduce the size. Yes. So make sure it's actually centralized so that your work would be okay. So it's actually part of the principles of graphic design. So this is cool. So this is how to arrive at this. Do you understand? Yeah. So we actually did same thing here. So thank you for staying tuned to today's tutorial. Please do well to like, share, and turn on your notification bell and follow for more. Yes. See you in the next tutorial. Yeah.